Hello everyone, today we are going to create a fish animation shader in Unity. We will animate vertices using a sine wave. This is a lightweight and commonly used technique in games. You could use a skinned mesh with bones, but doing this in the shader is much more efficient. The model used in this tutorial was downloaded from Sketchfab. This technique is not limited to fish. You can also use it for flags, trees, grass, cloth, or any subtle procedural motion. Let us get started. Create a lit shader graph. Create a base map property and connect it to base color. This model uses the alpha channel for alpha clipping. Enable alpha clipping and set it up properly. Create a material using this shader and assign it to the object. Now let us add the wave motion. Create wave frequency, wave intensity, wave speed, and wave offset properties. The sine wave is calculated based on the vertex position along the object's y-axis, and the resulting displacement is applied along the x-axis. Use this formula: sine object position dot y asterisk wave underscore frequency plus time y asterisk wave underscore speed plus wave underscore offset multiplied by wave underscore intensity. Apply this along the fish side direction and add it to the vertex position. Let us implement this inside Shader Graph. The fish's side direction corresponds to the object space x-axis, and we only want to apply the vertex offset along this direction. Multiply the wave value by vector float 3x. This ensures displacement only happens along the x-axis. Connect the result to the position input. Let us check the material. Alright, it's working. Let's visualize the wave value and see exactly how it's being applied. The wave value is calculated correctly. Alright, let's switch it back. There's one more thing to improve. Right now the whole body moves equally. For a natural result, the head should move less, and the tail should move more. We can control this by applying a mask to the intensity. Use smooth step to create a gradient mask. Add mask_value and mask_blur. Multiply the mask with the wave intensity. Let us visualize the mask first, to confirm it works. Mask underscore value controls the transition position. Mask underscore blur controls how soft the transition is. Now multiply the mask with the wave intensity. Let us check the results again. That looks much better. The motion feels more natural. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.